Guys, welcome back, and today I have a new video, and it's about Mi Band 5. So this is a newly launched device from Xiaomi, and it is Mi Band 5. There's some damage here during delivery. Please disregard that. Hope everything is good inside. The sealing is here, and here it is also. Now let's start the unboxing. I hope I don't need anything else to unbox this one. And let's open. Okay, here it is. Here's the charger, I guess. Here's the device in Mi Band. Let's see what's inside. There's something else also. Okay, there's something. Okay, it's a long thing. It starts from here and it goes and goes and goes. It's all in Chinese, so it looks like a user manual. Let's put this aside for a while, and nothing else is there. Let's put this also aside. Okay, now let's open it. First, let's see the charger. So this is okay, USB, and this is the new charger from Xiaomi for Mi Band 5. This is a magnetic charger. It makes very easy to charge the Mi Band 5 in comparison to the previous versions. Okay, here it is. Now let's see how the device looks. Okay, it's black color. The band seems to be something similar. The same strap. Here are the sensors. This is the magnetic charging port. Let's try it before we see other things. Okay, here it is. Let's see. Yeah, quite snappy. Okay, I put it there and it takes it itself. Nice. So here is the band, and it's in Chinese for now. This is the button. Let's see other things. Nothing is understandable. Everything in Chinese. Let me connect to my smartphone and see other things. So for now only two options can be seen. Let me connect it with the Mi app and see what happens. There it is now. Here's band. Okay. Okay, now it's in English. The display looks better than the previous one. Okay, here is some breathing exercise also, I guess. Workout, outdoor running, treadmill, cycling, indoor cycling, walking, elliptical, rowing machine, yoga. Okay, it does something with yoga also. Jump rope, swimming, freestyle. Okay, this looks good. Weather, notification, no notifications for now. And okay, there's a camera button. You can use Mi Band 5 to snap pictures also with the music, stopwatch, timer, and others. Okay, so here are different features for Mi Band. Remote shooting control. Okay, that's for clicking pictures. Okay, it has a new design. I mean, display in the app itself. App also, it shows something like this. It's trying to update now. Generally, whenever you get a new Mi Band, it actually updates when you first try to use it. And as mentioned, the screen is a bit bigger than that of the Mi Band 4. Let's put this down for a while. Okay, everything seems like updating has completed. It's trying to connect. Okay, it says 33%. It says only 33% battery is remaining. I think the battery lasts for a good time because I ordered more than 15 days back and it still has 33% remaining. This is how it looks. Let's try some watch face. Okay, let me try this SpongeBob. Let me try this one, SpongeBob. Okay, try this. It's syncing. Okay, the watch face also goes very quick in comparison to the previous version, and this looks good. Okay, this is how it looks. Now let me do one thing. This is Mi Band 5. Currently I'm wearing the Mi Band 4 with the Mario. Currently I have the Mi Band 4 with Mario jumping there. Let me change it now. Okay, yeah, let's see some differences. So let's compare. Okay, the screen looks a bit bigger, slightly bigger, and it looks good. So now as I have the new one, I'll put this from to downwards. So guys, what do you have to say about this new band? Okay, this is my new smart band. Feel free to comment about this. Thank you for watching.